I'm the king of Kansas City. No thanks, Omaha. Thanks a lot. It's been in my head for the past few minutes. Howdy, everybody. It's the Soda Jerk with the SodaJerk.net with another soda review. Today's soda review is Mountain Dew VooDew 2024. This is number 6, Mountain Dew VooDew 6. You can tell because that looks kind of like a 6. Here it is. What is it? It's Mountain Dew's mystery flavor, mystery Halloweenish spooky flavor 2024. This also comes in a 0 sugar can. This can, full of sugar. Let's read those ingredients, shall we? Actually, before we do that, let's look at the can closely. Anything cool on here? There's a mummy hand. A bat. Looks like is that a planet? Several planets. And then we got our mascot of VooDew, the Grim Reaper, the Voodoo Reaper. I don't know what you call him. Anyway, here we go. Oh no, what am I doing? Ingredients. Carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, natural and artificial flavor, citric acid, gum arabic, sodium benzoate, preserves freshness, caffeine, sodium citrate, potassium sorbate, preserves freshness, glycerol, ester of rosin, calcium disodium EDTA, to protect flavor. Bottle of the authority to incorporate New York 1057. 44 grams of sugar in this. Caffeine content 54 milligrams for every 12 ounces. I don't think I've ever guessed one of these correctly. It smells like sugary nonsense. There's a fruit scent. That's about it. It's got to be some kind of milky white color, if I remember correctly. Yep. Look at that. A lot of carbonation, though. That's very calming just to look at that. I don't know what this is. You know what it smells kind of like? You ever be like, I know that smell. I don't know what it's called, though. Let's try it out. I hope it tastes like Razzles. Remember Razzles? Candy or gum. Okay, that's sip number 1. Remember doing a 3-sip thing before we make a real judgment. This does taste like something specific, but I don't know what. Man, I don't even know. There's a lot of fruit flavorings in there. A lot of different types of fruit. There's a bit of a cotton candy taste to it as well. It's not so much a Halloween candy, though. I think usually they try to be kind of Halloween candy-ish. I can tell you it's not a Skittles. I think last year was kind of like cherry Airheads. This doesn't taste like one flavor. This tastes like an amalgamation of flavors. Carbonation-wise, light. Just enough to give it a texture. There's like a marshmallow to this, a little bit. Maybe it's those fruity marshmallows. Again, not a Halloween candy though. But I am getting kind of I'm not getting a marshmallow taste. I'm getting a soda trying to taste like marshmallow taste. which I've had before. Several sodas have done marshmallow stuff in the past, and they can't really nail marshmallow. It's difficult. This feels like they're trying to. But it's fine. There's a little bit of bitterness at the beginning of it, but that eases out over time. I'm going to drink the, we're going to warm up this shot glass real quick. And then we'll see if this tastes like a little warmer, if it doesn't give us something else. I don't know what that is. Here's one way we can try to figure it out. What if we removed the sugar and did Mountain Dew VooDew 2024 Zero Sugar? What if we did that? Maybe this one will teach us what the flavors are. Yeah, let's try it out. Let's try out the zero sugar version. After we read the ingredients: carbonated water, citric acid, natural and artificial flavor, potassium citrate, caffeine, sodium benzoate, preserves freshness, sucralose, gum arabic, asulfame potassium, citrus pectin, that might be a new one, potassium sorbate, preserves freshness, glycerol ester of rosin, and calcium disodium, EDTA, to protect flavor. 68 milligrams of caffeine as compared to the 54. Wow. Considerable more caffeine in the zero sugar version. 14 more grams of caffeine. That's kind of weird, isn't it? Yeah, that's kind of wild. Kind of wacky. Let's open it. Less of a scent. But that's not... I don't know what this is. Let's do this again, although I have a feeling it's going to look exactly the same. It pretty much is. Nothing terribly exciting about that. All right, let's try out the zero sugar. Go from there. They're definitely trying to do something with marshmallows. I don't understand. I'm sure there are people out there that can do this. There's some people that are just like, oh, you don't know what that is? That's if you wrapped up a Skittle in a Reese's peanut butter cup and coated it in marshmallows. Clearly. You can easily taste it. This is vague AF. Vague as foretold. I do think there's marshmallow involved. I'm going to go with fruity marshmallows. That's what I'm going with. A handful of fruity marshmallows. Because I have no idea. Don't trust me. You know what you should do? Go out and drink it yourself. The flavors are a little muted in the zero sugar version. I think I prefer the sugar full version in this case. Neither one of them is something I would... I'm not like, whoa, you gotta try out this new Dew. You should try it out because it's fun. It's fun to try things. There's one. Two, so you can figure out what candies it is. Also fun. But as far as Dew flavors go, it's kind of generic. But participating in it is fun. I have no idea what this tastes like. I have no clue whatsoever. I feel like I've been thinking about it so much, the entertainment value of the review has gone down. And that's on me. Because this has stumped me. And I say that like it's hard to do that. It's not hard to stump me. They didn't achieve anything by stumping me. I stump me all the time. Let's try the little shot glass of the zero sugar. I really need food in my stomach. I now have almost 2 full Mountain Dews in me instead of any food. Wouldn't it have been amazing if after I drank that, I was like, oh! It's gummy bears! It could be. No clue. No clue at all. No clue. You know who else has no clue? The SodaJerk.net. With over 1,000 soda reviews, the SodaJerk.net is your one-stop shop for pop reviews. It is. It's that place to do that. The SodaJerk.net. I haven't tried them all yet.